Yeah, hi guys. I wanted to do a video in the middle of this to give you a current uh, perspective on my thoughts of where we're at exactly here while we're loaded up on these euro dollars. Um, Now, we'll go back and remind you of the story here. If go back and watch the last video, it will explain the story unraveling here. We're not looking for a home run move, okay? We're just looking for a move. We're not looking for a collapse of the dollar index. That's not where I'm going with this. Um, where we were at was dollar was going up against the Swiss, but not on dollar strength. It was going up on Swiss weakness. Um, how do we know that? We'll go back to the last video and I'll explain. Since then, in that happening, we see euro is not going down against the dollar. Pound only a little bit, which means that euro pound is up. Aussie is up. New Zealand is sideways to up, so it's not falling. So this is 1, 2, 3. CAD down 4. So 4. So the question is, will that be enough to allow a pullback and then sell later on? I believe so, because I will show you right now. First question, okay, we've got dollar going up on Swiss strength. So what is euro doing? Is euro going up or down against the Swiss? Is the first question. The next question is, well, dollar has come down against the CAD. Okay, so is there any euro CAD strength? We need to know that. If it says yes, then it's showing us new additional euro strength. Okay. Then obviously Aussie is the strongest. So if we see any euro Aussie strength would be nice, or euro New Zealand strength would be good too. Obviously euro pound is stronger. And then euro yen strength would be nice too, because dollar is not able to go up against the yen here. It's only going sideways. Okay, so we'll go over to the euro now and we'll check that off. Hang on. All right. Where are we at here? Let me move this better. So right, euro pound up. There it is. Euro CAD strength. That is a giveaway. Euro yen is up, and euro strength, euro Swiss up obviously. So this euro Swiss must have gone up more than euro dollar in terms of its numbers. Euro Swiss 68, change of 0.67%, whereas dollar has gone up against the Swiss by 0.44. So that is telling us that euro is stronger than dollar. Okay. We don't need here an index trade like, where we get the dollar index collapsing. We're just looking for a euro dollar move. and anything else that can be going with that move. A pound dollar, but we won't be expecting too much because we don't see pound strength anywhere. But if pound does go up and we don't lose on pound dollar, and let's say it goes for 3 days up, Euro and Aussie and New Zealand, but pound only goes sideways, then that will be telling us something again, which we will cross that bridge when we get there. So we'll be prepared for that. There's many outcomes here. The other one I wanted to look at was, sorry, before we go on, no, Euro Aussie has not got any strength at all. Euro New Zealand does have a few highs here. So again, that is good news for us for a Euro long. Let's take a look at pound and we'll see if we see anything remotely resembling this. All right. Okay, so pound is weak against the Aussie, obviously. Most likely it's weaker than Euro. Okay. Do we see any pound yen strength? Not yet, but we do see a decent swing high, which was more than the dollar swing high. The dollar is just firm and down. What else here? Pound is up against the Swiss, but only on Swiss weakness. We are expecting this. It's not a very big move. Pound down, but shows us this. And pound is smaller, not doing as high swings as Euro New Zealand was. So I'm not suggesting buy Euro New Zealand by any means. We're just looking at it on a dollar perspective here. It just showed us some that it had some strength against the New Zealand at that time. So our trades of interest based on this is pound, USD, Euro, USD. I'm not going to do Euro pound. Maybe a Euro CAD and a pound USD, Euro USD, New Zealand USD, and Aussie USD, obviously. Those are our trades. We take a quick look at the CAD. Now, the reason I'm moving over to this individual index like this is because we have permission to now. We have a story that's unfolded. So this is telling us that we're getting to know the story better. So we don't have to scalp around on these little levels at the moment because we see this larger picture unfold now, which will break any of these small 1 minute levels. So we'll start to increase lot sizes soon once we see a little bit more of the story unfold. In order to buy Euro Canada, we will need to see more Euro New Zealand strength. Okay. Because New Zealand is strong. More Euro Aussie strength. CAD is showing a little level lower there against the yen, which is interesting. So that is showing us some CAD weakness here. It's here, this here. Okay, euro is bigger than this, higher, stronger. And where is CAD Swiss? Right. So we'll look at the CAD Swiss numbers here. The Swiss numbers, and relate them to the CAD. CAD's up 82, so CAD is strong. Okay. New Zealand, Aussie. Yeah, so that confirms our CAD strength. This is why it's important. We need to start seeing some real CAD move, CAD weakness somewhere. Yeah, we'll get back to you on that. I'm going to let another go around, see what happens here. And if we start to see CAD yen weakness on this 1 hour relative to euro yen, so if euro yen's kind of up and CAD yen is showing more lows, then we've got our permission to take that euro CAD and hold the euro dollar longer. But let's just remember, all of these numbers, all of these buys are counter trend against the enormous monthly model against us. So we really should be looking for this exact same setup after a up move pullback, right? So I'll make that clear right now. So take this at your own risk. It is a casino, but we do believe we are in fact good enough to get this one right. So thank you for your attendance. As always, I will catch you guys with an update, I don't know, in maybe 10 or so hours when this thing's moved a bit more. Cheers.